Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have JBL 225 true wireless headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily pair them with your iPhone. At first we have to open settings. Now we have to go to Bluetooth over here. Now we have to remove our headphones from our case. And now we have to go into pairing mode. To go into pairing mode, we have to hold our fingers on these buttons over here for 3 seconds to turn them off and on. As you can see, our device is now discoverable, so we have to click on our headphones here. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.